the wave-particle duality in light is a paradox, simultaneously dualistic, hence the reason they call it a wave-particle duality in light, because duality means rigid distinctions. Duality and contrast to polarity, they are a trichotomy. They share no commonality whatsoever. However, they share one subtle common denominator in terms of their polarity and nuances. Right, so a contrast and a polarity and a duality is not the same. Duality is rigid distinctions between, so black and a chicken may be duality, right? But they're not polarity.
With this type of viscosity over it.
What do you say?
Viscosity.
Suprasegmental features also known as porosity. Suprasegmental features also known as porosity explores areas like rhythm, pitch, meter, and actually intonation, inflection, cadence, and tonal modulation. So what does phonological features have to do with manic episode? When bipolar goes into mania, right, their tonality change.